Welcome to the MBS Engineering channel. Today, we will learn how to calculate the conveyor belt take-up length. We will discuss this topic in the upcoming slides. Next, we will learn the conveyor take-up length calculation formula. Please refer to the images. The belt conveyor has a take-up pulley. We need to calculate the take-up length for the given belt length, L. The formula used to calculate the minimum take-up length is, take-up length is equals to belt length, is multiplied by elongation percent. Next, take-up length is equals to belt length, L, is multiplied by 1.5%. Here, L is the center-to-center distance between the head and tail pulley. Next, we will learn how to calculate the take-up length. Learn the below sample example as follows: a belt conveyor length of 300 meters. Calculate the minimum take-up length. The given data, L, is the center-to-center distance between the head and tail pulleys is 300 meters. Next, the formula is used to calculate the minimum take-up length as, take-up length is equals to belt length, L, is multiplied by 1.5%. Apply the given data. We need to calculate the take-up length. Next, take-up length is 300 into 1.5 divided by 100. Next, the take-up length is 4.5 meters. Therefore, the minimum take-up length is 4.5 meters. We hope everyone understands how to calculate the conveyor belt take-up length. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Please like and leave a comment.